Today, I was invited once again as a juror for the architecture thesis defense at PUP Lopez. The day started before sunrise. At 3 a.m., I prepared for a 3-hour driving journey. The road wasn't perfect. Along the way, I encountered accidents and some delays. Before arriving at the university, I made time for a quick project inspection. Architecture is not only about buildings, it's also about mentoring future professionals. As jurors, we challenge ideas, evaluate solutions, and help prepare students for the realities of professional practice. After the defense, the work continues. And after a long day, it's back to serving our clients and building spaces with purpose. Being an architect is more than designing buildings. It is serving people, guiding communities, and stewarding every opportunity God entrusts to us. And this is Jera, your Provinciano Arquitecto. Remember, architecture is our craft, but God is still the greatest master builder.